So, just walking out. We're going to take Cappy for a bit of a walk whilst the sunshine is out, and we are going to stop a little on the way to do a little bit of shopping as well. It's stunning here. I'm going to turn the camera around, and yeah, I just can't get over it. Like, how's that for a view? That's ridiculous. Like, that's crazy. Like, look at that water. Like, how appealing is that water? I know it's cold, but it is ridiculous. And like, look at the mountains. It is stunning, and the weather's perfect. Like, genuinely perfect. But I have been left behind.
Yeah, I have seen a ferry go a couple of times.
Just a mountain. What?
Oh my god, it's amazing.
Like, all these shots are basically going to be the same, but I just can't help it. Really is like the perfect day. Like, genuinely wonderful. Right, we're not leaving that view, but we're heading over here. We're going to go into the vineyards, which are working vineyards, and our hosts have given us a bottle of wine to try. Hello. Hello. He's very good. I mean, that view behind you is insane.
Butter. What? Butter? Butter. Zit.
He said, nope, I'm good. He is very good though.
Cheese. Cheese. I need to figure out what that is.
What, the search?
Yeah.
But yeah, this is a ridiculous view.
Yeah.
On a game of good bench, bad bench.
Good bench.
Very, very good bench. One of the better views we've seen for a while, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Like, I still can't get over this view. But I'm going to put you away. Because we got to keep going and then head to Little. Well, it's turned out to be a lovely evening. You can see just where there's a little bit of sunlight. But yeah. So we just got back. Good walk. Good, I think we walked. And we have someone who's, despite just being for a walk, has post-walk zoomies. So we're gonna have to deal with this for a little bit. But yeah, sounds good. There he goes. Plan is to, So plan tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be our probably biggest day of hiking and walking. I'll go through with that actually tomorrow. But it's just that it's going to be another good, nice day. It seems like we're going to luck out with the weather while we're here. So it's going to be another good day. And yeah, looking forward to it. Right, I'm going to put you away and go chill out. Hello. So, Alex made some risotto and we're going to try the rosé, which is from the vineyard that we were walking through.
Yeah. And I've got all the collection towards.
Those are his shoes. But yeah.
No, they weren't his to start with.
No. But yeah. We're gonna go from there and we'll see you in the morning. Good morning. So this morning we are just going out for a quick wander. There's a helicopter in the background, that's probably what you can hear. Going out for a quick wander just to take Cappy out. I've already let him out this morning and so he's been to the loo, but it's just give him a quick stretch before we have breakfast and before he has breakfast. Then we are going to be getting the train for a bigger adventure, which is probably going to be our big adventure today. Like the big adventure. Just because we know today's supposed to be another nice day, so we thought we'd just stick with it. But I mean, yeah, still ridiculous. I slept okay, Alex less so. But yeah, right, let's go for this walk. What a morning. Just a bit of a view this morning is the fact that it's just house. That is a view. So yeah, we took Cappy here yesterday. Just in the evening, just where we had to have head torches. This is just kind of a short walk, which is nice. It's nice and wooded. So yeah. Also take him out, I'll explain. Thanks, Mr. Crows. Oh, can you find me? There you are. So today we are going to get 2 trains to Lauterbodden and then Murden. Basically, it's just kind of the big hiking spots here. There's loads of hiking, there's loads of walks. We just want to try and do a little bit whilst we're here. So we're not going to be going as you can get cable cars to everywhere. It is stunning, the area. So plan is just to do this as like our main walking day. And kill ourselves and then have a few days of just exploring the summer, the little places around. But yeah, it's nice to come here during the morning because compared to last night where it's pitch black, it's pretty, really, really pretty. Oh, I was saying to Alex yesterday, what you haven't seen is obviously, as mentioned, we've been back in the UK for about 6 months and this has felt like an adventure and it's felt like a holiday, which work's not been particularly stressful for me. It's been a lot to do, but it's just been really nice to look at a time and actually have a nice relaxing time. So yeah, it's good times.
Ready?
So yeah, the reason he's on a 20-meter bleed is just his recall being that he's young. It just isn't the best, especially for us. The owner would be fine, but us just being a bit, obviously, just looking after him for a few days, we just thought it's worth doing it this way. And he is clever, he's a smart dog, but it's just because of that, because as I say, he's I think a year and a half, so he's still very much in that inquisitive phase. But I just can't get over how nice this morning is. Like, I'm in my jacket, I'm in my big jacket, but I've got a t-shirt on underneath and it is, yeah. So we play this game where we put a trail of food for him. Hey buddy! There's one more. What a lovely morning. What a ridiculous morning. So I will say, this guy did spook us a little last night, being in the dark. But yeah. So it is so clear, but it is not warm. But in the summer months I would be right in that. Right, I'm going to put you away and enjoy the rest of this walk. Then we need to have breakfast, we need to get ready, and then we'll go out. But yeah, really enjoyable. I mean, when you have views like that along the way. Yeah. Yeah. What a lovely view. Right, up we go.